Understanding Review Service Plans. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might encounter in various contexts. Review service plans. Whether you're dealing with customer service, tech support, or any service-oriented industry, understanding this phrase is key. Let's break it down together. When we say review, we're talking about examining something carefully. It's about looking back at information, documents, or in this case, service plans, with a critical eye. The goal is to understand the details better, check for accuracy, or evaluate effectiveness. Reviewing can involve reading, comparing, and sometimes even testing to ensure that everything meets the expected standards. Moving on to service plans. These are agreements or contracts that outline the services a company will provide to its customers. Service plans can vary widely depending on the industry. For example, a telecommunications company might offer service plans that detail internet speeds, data limits, and customer support levels. In contrast, a car dealership could provide service plans covering maintenance, repairs, and roadside assistance. Now, why is it important to review service plans? Well, for customers, it's about ensuring you're getting what you pay for and knowing what to expect from the service. For businesses, it helps maintain high customer satisfaction by aligning services with customer needs and addressing any gaps or issues before they become problems. To review service plans effectively, start by identifying your needs or the needs of your customers. Compare these needs with what the service plans offer. Look for clarity in terms of service delivery, costs, and any additional benefits. It's also wise to check for flexibility, like options to upgrade or modify the plan, and understand the process for addressing concerns or issues. Thank you for joining us today to explore the meaning behind review service plans. Remember, whether you're a customer evaluating options or a business looking to offer the best service, taking the time to carefully review service plans is crucial. It ensures transparency, satisfaction, and peace of mind. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.